Okay,
Alright,
this meeting has been
what's
recorded.
up, guys? This is Mark Augustine, and you know the whole spiel. I've been dropshipping for 10 years, sold millions of dollars. And in this video, I am teaching the youngest pilot on the Caribbean coast of Nicaragua how to dropship on Facebook.
What
So
up, guys?
just introduce yourself really quickly, and I'll go into the progress suit. So who are you? Where are you from? How old are you? Are you really a
Okay,
pilot?
yes. So my name is Darvin. I'm from Corn Island. I'm 21 years old, and I'm currently the youngest pilot on the Caribbean coast of Nicaragua. And I'm the first from Corn Island to do a flight from Managua, which is 345 kilometers to Corn Island, and land an airplane on its own field.
Wow, respect,
Y-
brother. And how
Yeah,
long? And how long you been flying?
I've been flying since 2018. 2018 December, I started flying.
Nice. So we need to make a trip to Jamaica soon. We've been talking about
Yeah, so of
it.
course, yeah.
All right. So guys. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen and I'm going to let you. I'm gonna show you product research and explain as I share my screen how all this works. One second. Uh, okay. Let me unmute myself. All right, David.
Mhm. All right.
Right. So we drop ship it on Facebook, but what happens is we use items from Walmart, Amazon, and other different platforms. What we
Okay.
use FBM Fox for. So guys, if you want to try FBM Fox for free, you can go a link in the description. Use coupon code Mark10. You'll get 10% off, and this is what we're using to do the product research. So you can be lazy. There are a couple of ways you can do this. So I've done a lot of examples with men's mountain bikes, but I'm gonna do full product research showing you the ideal pricing and how you should title the item and so on. So if you look at this page, I'm just showing you this is a Walmart page. I just searched it to a men's mountain bike. I came on FBM Fox here in the corner. I go to research, I hit search, and what's gonna happen is that FBM Fox is supposed to, where is it? Right where you see this thing is moving, FPM
Okay.
Fox is doing sales data. So it's estimating, it's using certain algorithms and APIs
Hmm.
to estimate how much each of these items sell. So this item sells $5,000 a month on Walmart, right? So there are a couple of ways you can do this. There's a lazy way you can do this where, okay, you know this item sells a certain amount, you know you can ship it, you hit save to FBM Fox, and then you can list it on Facebook. And a lot of people do that over and over and over and list a lot of nonsense that does not sell. So I am going to go in a little more in depth in how I will select items to sell right now. So instead of just doing something like that, I have had a lot of experience selling bikes. So what I will do is first I want items that always delivered, right? So I'm filtering it on the left. Then I don't care about the brand, but with bikes, because we're drop shipping, we have to raise the price. So a lot of
Hmm.
times you don't want like really, really expensive bikes. So I might go from like 0 to 140, like cheaper bikes, because we're drop shipping those bikes on Facebook and we're raising the price by 20 to 30%.
Hmm. Got it.
All right, so let's go. Where's the search button? I want to filter this. Right. So I'm getting all bikes. Why is this not filtering? Come on, so fucking up. Yeah, I'm getting all bikes, all men's mountain bikes.
Okay.
Right. So there's another step. So this item, I like the cheaper bikes, but this item is not sold by Walmart. You see, it's sold and shipped by Big Tech. I don't like using third-party sellers.
Yeah.
This bike for one, let me see what the sales volume on these are. So I could do some research again here and see which of these bikes sell. my bet would be this one has 330 feedback. So my bet would be this one sells a decent amount. So it sells about $500 a month, which is not great, but it sells. But there's some more data that we could get. So let's say we have this item that sells, right? We know it's selling $5,000. Let me see if there's another one. Wow, this one sells. This one sells a lot more. This is a kid's bike.
Well, which one? Hover over it. Let me see it.
Yeah, this one, the Hyperbike 20H kids bike.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh,
this one sells $33,000 a month.
wow.
That would be a good item to sell, but there's another step to go, because how Facebook Marketplace works is that you want to use titles that people would be searching for. So the next step I would do is I would go to eBay. I know this seems crazy. So I know I want to sell this item. Cheers. I know it sells a lot. I could save it. I can list now. So I'll show you how that works. So once I hit list now, you notice that if FBM Fox already pulled the description and it pulled the images from the page automatically into Facebook. You see, it's loading right now.
Okay.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
So I definitely want to sell an item. So it's new. It's $120 with free shipping. I can raise the price, but I'm going to go into a little more detail so we can change the title of this, because this may not be the best title that we can use. Because what
Okay.
happens is Walmart and these companies use like basic titles with the brands. A lot of times when selling on these platforms like eBay, you want a title that has a lot more keywords, more of what people are searching for. So I'll take the
Okay.
same bike, go to eBay, search. I'm looking for the exact, well, this is priced in quarter words. I'll have to change it to dollars. 1 second.
Yeah.
Because of the
VPN is located in Nicaragua, so they're gonna do the
yeah,
conversion.
it
Mhm.
automatically converts. Right. So I already have one of these. It's interesting. I already have one bike that on eBay being sold for $210. So that person's drop shipping that bike. But
Mhm.
what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a listing on eBay of the same bike that has sales. So okay, this one has a lot of watchers and it's sold already. And it has one watcher, sorry. Has a lot of product reviews. But a lot of what I'm doing is I'm looking for the best title. This one is
Got it.
sold also. It might be exact same, it might be different. I don't know. But I'm making that decision based on eBay, not based on like how I feel or based on Walmart.
Yeah.
So I open, so I know it sells a lot on Walmart. I know this person sold 3. There's one available. It sold in July and May. It wasn't very recent, but because it's sold, I'm good with the title. I wouldn't sell it for $210. That seems expensive. But let me see if there's another one. This person only sold 1, so I wouldn't use that title. But it says it's getting 2 views an hour. 1 second. Let me see when this item was listed. When was it sold? September 1st. So this is a more recent
Yeah.
sale. So let me check. Let me dig in a little more. And that pricing is pretty low as well. Okay, this one sold 2 at 150 and is a much longer title. Let me see if there's a recent sale. All in July. So the
Mhm.
most recent sale out of these that I'm opening. Let me check some more.
So just a quick question. We have to notice the most recent it is that it was sold, it's better, right?
Yes, yes. I
Okay.
preferably like to check the past 30 days. If I have a
Okay.
sale, because this item interests me because it's sold recently, the title is long, so it has a decent amount of keywords, but the
Okay.
pricing is low. I don't like the pricing because
Mhm.
let me see, where's my tablet? Because at 132, we're getting it for 119. So at 5%, you'll still make $6 or $7. But this is how I'll do this. I will come back to Facebook. Where are you, baby? Where are you? Come back to Facebook, change the title to the title from eBay that we know sold recently, right?
Okay.
Paste. And then change the pricing because we're getting it for 119, but you
Hmm.
want to be making at least 10% profit. Facebook is charging us 5%. So you want to, the lowest I would raise this to is I'll raise it by, let's say 20%. So it's at 119, 10% is, let's say, 12 bucks, 20% is 24 bucks. So I'll sell it at, so 24 plus 19 at 144. So that's how I'll price this actual item. The only thing I'm updating is the title and the price, and that's his list. And then this same item, when you go into FBM Fox, you can see it listed, you see where the price changes and so on. But all I wanted to do in this video is go through the basics of product research so you can get
Yeah.
a quality, you get a basic understanding of product research and how we connect. So Facebook is a marketplace where we're using we're working with the people that are looking for items to sell.
Yeah.
Walmart, Amazon, for the most part, those are the two suppliers I use for the most part. The items that we are selling on Facebook, and eBay is the platform that we're using to get a little more data with respect to when items were sold, the title to use, and a little bit on the pricing. Because if this guy sold this for like 144, I might have just taken the price, but I raised
Hmm.
it because Facebook is separated than
And
eBay,
eBay. Yeah.
but you can raise the price and so on. So guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you like these type of videos. Darwin would be working on Victor's Facebook account. Victor was on yesterday. So he's, as I said earlier in the video, he's a pilot. We actually have a pilot drop shipping on Facebook from Nicaragua. So this is kind of crazy. All
Yeah.
right. So have a good one, guys. Let me know if you want to ask Darwin anything. In the description, we have FBM Fox with a discount. And Davin and I might put out a training. I might put out live training because I'm thinking about doing inner circle again and teaching you guys live. But anyway, have a good one, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Okay. Bye.